ladies.
And 2 gents.
Today's a very special day. Stay tuned because it is our favorite bag of the month.
And I'm actually gonna try a pair on for you today.
You are not, you liar.
I am.
You are not.
I am.
It is our Splendies underwear.
I am gonna
say
try it
commercial.
on. There you go. I just tried it on.
We've had quite a few people say you need to try them on. That was good. So Splendies is a monthly subscription, $13.99 if you are sizes small to XL, and $16.99 if you are size 1X to 4X. And you get 3 pair, come to your house, you keep what's in there. We recommend, if you're going to try this out, or you've been like, oh, I've seen so many of these videos, I don't know, try it.
Size up a size.
Size up one
they run
size.
a little bit small.
Try it for 1 month and see if
You'll
they
fall
don't
in love
make
with
you feel pretty.
You will fall in love with it.
So let's see what you got.
So this is a really pretty pair. Look at these. So pretty.
And feminine. Oh my gosh.
And my favorite detail when I get these is this little tiny bow. But look at how pretty, you guys, the detailing is. These are like fancy underwear that you go and buy in the store. Now, this is a Splendies brand, and it retails for $12.
And with the little pink lace, you just put that right above your jean line.
Splendies, when I'm in Scotland, Cindy's going to take pictures of me bending over in your underwear so I can at least show them the tops. So you'll see your underwear in Scotland and Ireland being shown proudly.
So if you start seeing...
Hey, and if I have enough to drink, you might see the whole thing in a pub.
She's wearing a dress and falls to the floor.
Nobody knows us. Nobody knows us over there. Okay, so the last video, you guys, I said, I really do like the comfort of my granny panties. And I had said in the video, I wish they would send me kind of like a granny panty, but not really a granny panty. And look at, they did kind of send me a really just a normal pair, not all lacy and everything, that you can just throw on when you're just wearing.
Oh, those are nice.
They're really soft. And they're just plain old nice non-granny panties.
Yeah, they're the
They're by
Walmart feel.
Miss Vicky's Intimates. And they retail for $12. So I was really excited to get these. I know they're plain and there's no little bow, but I can't wait to try these on. And then, last but not least, this is a Wilshire, Montana Intimates.
Yeah,
and it retails for $12.
These are so cool. The way they design the front and back, that's the back.
This is the back.
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
that's
so the front.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. They get the part that shows all the wah-wah covered. And the cute part shows your buttocks. You can see.
Yeah, look. This is really kind of cool. Put your hand here, see?
Isn't that fun?
Yeah, I like them. That's a nice little bag there.
This is a great combo of underwear. So we've got our cute little...
So Debbie's trying them on right now.
No, I did promise somebody that I would try them on. So here we go. Pair number 3. Tried it on. Pair number 2.
So we don't want to hear no more of us having to try these on.
Tried it on. There you go. The colors all go really good with my skin. And my favorite of this month, it's actually a toss-up, you guys, between these and the gray ones. Because I really do like my granny panties. Not in looks, because you got to hide those. Or if you got a date or something, you got to put on pretty ones like this. So that's what I got this month. And I tried them on. So please know that I follow through when I say I'm going to do something. They have been tried on. Thanks, Splendies.
We'll put the link below. And if you want to see mine that are coming in the next couple of days, stay tuned.